Alright, this is Cody Warner, 7901 Wilson Pond Lane, Fuquay, Varina, and I'm doing a regular tune-up inspection. One thing I want to point out here, I got a non-serviceable drain line here, and what I mean by that is there's no point of entry to be able to go down through this drain line and then clean it. And let's see here, show an example here. Sorry. This brush is what we would normally be able to just access through an access port, bring it down through the drain line, clean it, because this is what builds up algae and fungus and stagnant water. Now, what we got here, I'm going to show you a little broad overview. This is what you call the heat pump air handler. This is where the blower motor right here, and then it goes to the distribution vent there. What we've got here, you got a lot of dark colored fungus that's growing around here. A lot of stuff. And when we look at the actual door panel, you got a lot of black fungus growth here. When we look up in here, and sorry for the quality of the video, but this is a little bit tough. I'll try to zoom in here. You can see what's growing on the blower motor blades. This is where this type of stuff gets constantly circulated through the air inside the home, because this is what actually pushes the air, just like fan blades, you know, on a regular fan. And you got stuff growing all over it. And that has a lot to do with the humidity. It also has a lot to do with, it's an old system, and the outside condenser foil was definitely covered, so it makes this unit sweat on the inside. Now, this is a newer evaporator coil, but you can still see you got fungus all over the black part of it. Plastic is what supports that fungus growth. And the evaporator coil looks like it's in really good condition overall. You can see you got growth all over the inside of the cabinet.